Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I am going to share how to exactly make $100 per day. It's passive income. So if you live in Africa, Asia, Europe, and America, there is no matter where you live in because this company work worldwide and this beginnable work. So at first, go to Canva.com. Canva is absolutely for free. You can start for free. So this link I will provide in description below, please check it. Then go to here is a lots of template here, free and paid. Click here more, then type of Instagram post. You don't need to know what is the size for Instagram is perfect because Canva suggest me lots of templates, so I can choose this one. This is a blank because I will start for craze. Example of I'm type here element, then type product, then photo. Here is a lots of photo here. This is for absolutely for free. So I am choose this one, then type background. This is a pretty cool because I don't really want it because this one I choose this one. This is a pretty good. Now I change the background color. It's a very good design. Now I am put my branding name. Example of here this one. Example of my branding name is Kalam. So this is my branding name example. So this I will provide here. So this is a very good design. Now if I want to share this post in Instagram again and again, if you create 5 to 7 posts every day, then after 6 months you have 800 to 900 posts. Then I guarantee you that 50 to 80 posts will be go viral. Then you get 50,000 to 1 lakh follower, I guarantee you. So I download this one. Here is lots of. So I am choose this one. Download. Go to Instagram.com. Instagram is a top social media platform in the world. Here is the millions creator and audience using Instagram every day. So I'm using now PC. So you don't need PC or desktop computer, laptop. You only need a mobile phone because Canva work mobile phone and PC both. So just create, select for computer this one. This is a really good because I so next here is a original secret method because then go to google.com, then charge gadget or bag omen bag hashtag best hashtag. Website is a pretty good for everyone. I already use since 2020. This is very good. copy and then paste. It's easy work. If you are beginner, this video for you, because you see this is beginner level work. Then now try up. Hey, do you like this bag? This is a hook for everyone. Do you like this bag? You from Germany, Germany, Germany. If you from India, then India. So example of there this one, and share. Already post publish. So see here is a lots of product. Why I already published